This is the story of a 15-year-old underweight guy who was very positive on the outside but was helplessly letting his insecurities succumb him from within. Who went from this to an 18-year-old who is now lifting more than twice his body weight. Albert Einstein once said, I am thankful to all the people who once said no in response to a plea of help because I did it myself. And this quote right here kind of sums up my 3 years of getting into fitness and educating myself to the best of my abilities. The beginning of my journey dates back to 2018, where I started off as a 14-year-old figuring out ways to burn fat. I was pretty athletic and I was always into sports. Now आप मेरे को बैडमिंटन खिलवा लो, क्रिकेट खिलवा लो, फुटबॉल खिलवा लो, कुछ भी खिलवा लो. My base in every sport was pretty strong. But still, somewhere down the line, I was just not happy with myself. How I looked, how that baby fat here and there messed up my appearance. I was short, not too confident about myself, but I was very social. I loved going out, I loved meeting my friends, vibing with them. But as soon as I came back home, I just had one thought in my mind. Whenever I took off my t-shirt, I was like, भाई तूने अपनी बॉडी के साथ कर क्या लिया है? And those thoughts with time stacked up, and in the end I was like, I have to change myself. अब ऑनेस्टली मेरे को फिटनेस या बॉडी बिल्डिंग के बारे में कोई नॉलेज नहीं थी. द ओनली थिंग आई न्यू एंड माई पेरेंट्स अलाउड फॉर वॉज कार्डियो. Just like every other parent out there who's not that educated when it comes to fitness and bodybuilding, वो हमेशा यही कहेंगे कि बेटा जिम विम जाने से हाइट एंड ग्रोथ रुक जाती है आपकी बॉडी की. एंड दैट फियर काइंड ऑफ रिफ्रेन्ड मी फ्रॉम इवन यूजिंग वेट्स ड्यूरिंग माई वर्कआउट्स. पूरा 2018 एंड स्टार्टिंग ऑफ 2019 मैंने सिर्फ और सिर्फ रनिंग करी एंड बहुत बेसिक बॉडी वेट एक्सरसाइजेस करी. I got so lean that when I say that I lost fat from every inch of my body, I mean it. And in 2018 and 2019, I magically went from a guy who was literally just 5'7" to a guy who was about 5 feet 11 inches tall. This was something neither me nor my parents could ever imagine. I still remember measuring my arms and they were literally just 11 inches. And that was the time when I started realizing that I should have lifted weights, and I started regretting not focusing on building muscle. अब मैंने उस दिन एक और चीज रियलाइज करी कि if you want to change for yourself, not because people are pressurizing you to change. Because honestly, लोगों का कहना is never going to stop. When I was chubby and short, I was called by different names. Now I was tall, I was lean, but I was still called a mastic. Now my bodybuilding journey starts in March of 2019, where somehow I convinced my parents to let me go to the gym. And the day I stepped into the gym, it was a surreal feeling altogether. Lifting weights was something I wanted to do since quite a long time. But my fears and lack of knowledge about this sport always stopped me from doing so. जहाँ पे with proper guidance I could have gained good amount of quality muscle, and wait, I just gained a few kilos and a small amount of muscle. By the end of 2019, I knew that I was going wrong somewhere, because इतने लोगों को इंस्टा पे लिटरली अपने इनिशियल मंथ्स में इतना प्रोग्रेस करते हुए देख के I was like, what the fuck are they made of? Literally मेरे बाद जिन्होंने वर्कआउट स्टार्ट किया, now they were ahead of me, which was honestly quite upsetting, and I decided by hook or by crook, I have to shock the world. Just like every other teenager out there, I made a New Year's resolution. that I'm going to get serious about this sport. I started watching YouTube videos, I started studying about supplements, workout routines, and how this thing actually works. Now, I got to know about this very popular push pull leg series by Saket Gokhale. By the way, guys, Saket Gokhale is someone who has inspired me, taught me a heck lot of things. From discipline to technicalities in this sport, this guy has been one of the greatest helps for me throughout. Now, as I started following that routine, I could feel the difference almost immediately. The post-workout pumps the routine gave me were insane. देखने में भले ही I was still very lean, but all I could see during this time was progress. Let it be when it comes to strength and muscle mass here and there. Keep in mind that I was still not calculating my calories and macros. But the difference was I started having good amounts of protein and घर पे जो भी बने. I used to eat in a slightly bigger amount जिससे at least macros hit हो पा रहे थे. But there were days जब literally I gave up on eating. Because obviously इतना खाने की मेरे को भी आदत नहीं थी. Literally 2500 to 2800 calories, just 2800 calories felt like 5000 for me. 3 months into the workout routine I was following, I progressed quite a lot. Strength training was really working for me. But मेरे को ये लगता था कि जो strength building करनी होती है, that is just for muscle groups like back and legs. I wasn't going heavy on muscle groups like chest, biceps and shoulders. My body was progressing, but I was stopping it by resisting to go heavy on weights. जहाँ पे मैं 10 kgs के डंबल से 10 रैप मार पाता था, आज की डेट में मैं उन्हीं 10 kg के डंबल से 20 से ज़्यादा reps मार रहा था. And almost everyone in the gym saw me make these blunders, but only twice or thrice was I corrected. Now, Corona साथ में बढ़ रहा था, and no one predicted कि इंडिया में आके it's gonna blow up so much. No one was ready for it, and just like any other person out there, I was like, भाई बीमारी तो है, आएगी और चली जाएगी. But then our Prime Minister announced a nationwide lockdown, and I was just like, भाई गई सारी मेहनत पानी में. But then a thought came in my mind that body weight and weighted exercises में ही अगर हम लोग घर के सामान यूज करके अगर हम लोग वर्कआउट करते हैं, I'll at least be able to maintain what I've gained. Every day for almost 3 months, I was pushing myself to failure. हर set, हर rep, I was doing with the thought in my mind कि भाई जो gain किया है ना, उसको बचाना है. Now in these 4 months, 2 months, मैं literally bags में बुक भर के workout किया. Towel से and घर का पता नहीं क्या क्या use करके I worked out. Luckily, one of my friend had a pair of 10 kg के detachable dumbbells, because of which we could work out for the next 2 months in the garden. Gym वापस खुल गए. Now I was excited but कहीं ना कहीं मेरे अंदर वो एक डर बैठ गया था वापस जिम जाने का for some reason. By this time I was like भाई अब नहीं रुकना. Lockdown में I learned a lot of things from a lot of fitness content creators out there, and I was ready to use that knowledge in coping up with the 1 year that I lost. And honestly, मेरे को बहुत मजा आ रहा था. The most interesting thing I did throughout the day was working out. I was enjoying life. Workouts सही जा रहे थे. I was going to parties almost every week. Workouts कभी कभार होते थे miss, but उस टाइम पे वो एक seriousness उस level की नहीं थी. उस टाइम पे fitness was not a passion for me. It was something that was a part of my day, and it was something that I liked doing. Now in October, one of my really close friends told me कि भाई तेरी height 6'2" है. You're having a decent amount of muscle. Why don't you start bulking? You'll be one of the biggest guys in the gym. He told me everything I was required to do in order to bulk properly. तो मैंने कहा चलो try करके देखते हैं एक बार. He also introduced me to creatine, which honestly was a game changer in the journey. I started eating 4000 calories in a day. I started counting my macros every single day. As a hard gainer, initially it was very difficult for me to eat those 4000 calories worth of calorie rich food. There were times where I nearly used to vomit while eating. I used to sit near the washroom gate because I felt so pukish while eating for almost a month. Eventually मेरे को आदत हो गई and I enjoyed eating all of that because I was training so hard at the gym. I was growing fast and by the end of the year I had gained quite a lot. जहाँ पे जो अभिजीत 15 kg के डंबल्स को हाथ भी नहीं लगाता था, आज वो उनसे चेस्ट एंड शोल्डर प्रेसेस मार रहा था और एक डिसेंट अमाउंट ऑफ रेप रेंज भी निकाल पा रहा था. Everyone started seeing changes in me. I looked bigger, I felt much stronger, and I was getting a lot of compliments from the same people who once said no when I asked them for help. And कहीं ना कहीं मैं इतना अटैच हो गया था इस स्पोर्ट से that I decided that this is something that I want to take forward. And I want to be serious about it. But again, a transformation video isn't complete without an injury that became a big hurdle in your journey.
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे.
While playing cricket, I managed to tear 2 of the tendons on my wrist. I was recommended by the doctor for 2 months of complete rest, which meant that I wasn't allowed to work out for the next 2 months. Imagine, I was hitting my PRs every day, I was getting bulkier day by day, and I felt so confident about myself. And one wrist injury ruined it all. I had to wear a wrist brace literally 24/7. I wasn't allowed to move my wrist in any manner. I was still eating the same amount of food every single day because it became a habit for me. But me being a hyperactive 17-year-old, I used to take my medicines. मैं आइस पैक लगाता था दिन में 2 बार and then I used to go to play. I used to play cricket, I used to bowl. Now with time, my wrist healed and I was back at the gym working out. It was kind of painful, but I was there putting in my 100%, and even when the second wave of COVID hit the country and everyone was forced to sit at their homes, I made sure that I'm working out every single day with a few pair of dumbbells and one flat bench. I designed my own workout routine. I used my knowledge that I gained in the past 2 years, created one of the best workout routines to maximize growth. Now after the lockdown, when people saw me, everyone was shocked on how much muscle I had gained. In just a few months, with a very well monitored diet and an insane workout routine, I had completely changed myself. Everyone started to realize how serious I was about this sport. People now knew that I wasn't working out for fun or to look good or to gain attention. I was working out because I got addicted to it. A guy who was once one of the leanest chaps in the gym was now one of the biggest chaps in the gym. इतने इन 2-3 सालों में मैंने एक बात सीखी कि अगर कुछ बड़ा अचीव करना है ना, तो उसको अपनी एडिक्शन बना लो. क्योंकि जिस दिन आप उसको अपनी एडिक्शन बना लोगे, लाइफ में चाहे जितनी भी चीजें आ जाए, डिस्ट्रैक्शंस आ जाए, कुछ भी हर्डल्स आ जाए, it won't affect you even a little bit. And this was my journey from being one of the leanest losers out there to a bulked up 18-year-old. And I'm here on this platform on YouTube to educate you, to make sure that you don't make mistakes that I made. And I'm here to make your fitness journey a little bit easier. If you liked my journey and got inspired by it even a little bit, make sure you hit that like button and make sure you hit that subscribe button, because there are a lot of informative videos on their way and you surely don't want to miss them. Peace.